Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity, Cancers, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So the cards we picked are for your general reading. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Cancers. So let's start with the cards for your general energies, Cancers. We have Queen of Cups in reverse, Ace of Wands and Five of Swords. So in your situation, guys, Cancers, it may be something to do in your work or in your relationship. You are someone making a lot of efforts. You are trying hard, guys, doing your best, trying to do the right thing and struggling. Maybe you have a lot of obstacles to face in your work situation, or it may be in this relationship. You are using all your skills and talents, doing everything possible in your limit to achieve certain things, maybe in this relationship or in your work situation. You are trying hard, but whatever you do, you are not seeing changes in your situation, guys. So some kind of sadness, you feel lost, you feel that people are not respecting you, they are treating you badly. And even in your work situation or in your relationship, you feel that this person is not respecting you, or they are not seeing your true value, worth, and they are not respecting your love. So you love this person, you want a beautiful relationship with them, you are doing everything possible in your limit, but still they are not seeing the truth and they are not ready to accept you as someone really good, and they do not respect your love. But you need not worry, Cancers. We have this card here. This stands for some kind of a positive change, a new beginning coming up in your situation. So it may be a new beginning in your work, or it may be a new beginning in this relationship, maybe with the same person. You may see a better understanding, things falling into place, and this person understanding you, respecting you, and they have understood your love, and they want to be with you, maybe, guys. So you have come up with some kind of a reconciliation. Maybe you had some fights, maybe if you were in separation. I see that things are falling into place today, guys, for your Cancers. Or it may be a new beginning in your work, so it may be a new project or assignment, guys. So let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship first. So it is 10 of Wands in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, relationship, maybe you are facing some difficulties in your relationship, guys. If you can just hold on, I feel that you will come out of this difficulty you are seeing today, guys, in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Emperor. So looks like you are someone who follows the rules and you have a particular way of handling your situation, and that may be the reason you are coming out of some difficulty in your work, and you are going to be more successful in your career situation, guys, Cancers. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Cancers, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Cancers. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is this card first. It is an angel card, guys. So I pick cards randomly from the deck for you all, guys. So we have an angel card. It just means angels are here guiding us today in your circumstance, and this card stands for strength, protection and courage. So in your situation, maybe you may have some kind of a dream, vision in your situation guiding you, aligning your life maybe to fulfill your purpose. So whatever you love to do, maybe you may suddenly feel inclined to do certain things, maybe take up some path. It may be a career path or it may be a hobby, something which you feel really inspired to do, something which you are subconsciously guided, and it is all for your own good, guys. And that activity or that whatever effort you're putting in, it's going to change the way things are in your situation, guys. It is simply going to give you more confidence, give you strength, and you will feel guided. And we often feel let down or pulled down by the challenges we face and all that negative thoughts and emotions that we have, and we are so much afraid. So we need that inner strength, and this card stands for that inner strength, guys. So no matter whatever the circumstances are today, you are lovingly guided and you will have that intuition pointing you towards the right choices today, and you need not fear. And this angel is here assisting us today, giving us that strength and protection that we need in our life today, guys, in our circumstances today. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is Citrine. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, you need to build your relationship with love and trust, and this card stands for joyful expression, happiness, and letting go of all negativity that we have. So the way to build a strong foundation in our relationship through love and trust, how do we do that? It is simply by spending time with that other person, doing something fun, maybe doing some activity that is fun, where you enjoy each other and where you laugh and play around, feel happy, feel adventurous. So this is the time for you to go for that positive attitude or positive things in whatever you are doing. Find something funny or positive to tell that other person, and you will feel joyous, happy, and the same way this person will also feel loved and happy to be with you, spend time with you. And that is the this card, guys, the energy with this card. It stands for happiness and joyful expressions. So the way we enjoy the circumstance, enjoy this relationship with this other person, it inspires them to give up the sadness or whatever pain they have in their heart. So you need not hold back, you need not hold back from being happy today, guys. So this may be your energy or their energy towards you. So you are happy, you are changing the situation for this person, inspiring them, or they are happy with you, inspiring you to be happy. And do not forget, happiness brings more happiness. So you need to be happy no matter what. So this is the time for that, guys, to radiate happiness. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can stay tuned for the readings I post every day. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Love you all.